Now, number 8, 9, and 10 is going to kind of show you why we answer those other questions just to know how to read the matrix. So for these, they want to know what's the solution of the system. Now, in your lessons, they teach you several different ways to solve a solution. You can use substitution, elimination, or graphing. And if you want to use those methods, then I encourage you to go to BlendSpace and watch the videos on that. The method I prefer is to use my calculator doing the matrices. So when I see this equation, the system, I know I've got x, y, and there's my answer. So I'm actually going to enter it in as a matrix. So here you can see the word matrix in yellow, so I'm going to push the yellow button and then this button here. I'm going to scroll over to edit and press enter, and I want a matrix that has 2 rows and 3 columns. You can push enter. And then I'm just going to plug in my numbers. -2, enter, -4, enter, 24, enter, and then 2, 6, and -40. Okay, so I can see I've got my equation written as a matrix. Now I'm going to push second, quit, and I want to go back to my matrix, and this time I'm going to go to math, and I'm going to go all the way down to option B, reverse reference, press enter, and then hit second matrix again, and I just have to hit enter because the one I made is already highlighted. Enter again, and then you'll see, okay, this one represents, this is the x, this is the y, and then that last column is going to be my answer. So the x is 4 and the y is -8. So my answer is C. Okay, let me show you another one. Second matrix, edit, push enter. This is still 2 rows and 3 columns, so I'm going to leave it 2 by 3, and then I'm just filling in my numbers. I don't need to write any variables. -5, -4, and 53. And then -2, -5, and 28. Let's go to our quit to kind of get back to the main screen. Second, push this button here, go to math, and I'm going all the way down to RREF. Enter, second matrix, just hit enter again, and now I've got my answer. -9 is the x, and -2 is the y, so my answer here is B. Let's do the last one just for one last practice. Second matrix. Let's go over to edit, enter. This is still 2 rows, 3 columns. I just have to put the numbers in. -16. Make sure you enter them in correctly, otherwise you're going to get the wrong answer. Oops. -10. Second quit. Second matrix. Go to math. You'll see you get faster and faster the more you do it. Enter. So my answer is 4, -2. So my answer is D. All right, so if you prefer substitution, elimination, graphing, go for it. But this is kind of the fastest, kind of most, easiest way to go ahead and just get your answer. All you have to know how to do is to use the calculator and type in the right numbers and then read your answer. So it's this last column that's going to be your answer, X and then Y.